This is Shay Davis, and I'm here with Michael. He's getting his hair redone. So we've already washed it, and I'm just putting these.
Why am I wearing this mask, you may ask?
Well, before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you would be so kind to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and hit that like button, we definitely appreciate it. So we're back with the natural hair, and he has something to say about his mask.
One reason I'm wearing this mask is because my mom is just, you know.
Because he was at somebody's house, okay?
She was there
with
too.
one mask.
Well,
I had two masks on.
On.
But that's not the point here. Okay, so we didn't wash. He washed his hair, and kind of get closer to the camera so they can see what your hair looking like.
I washed my own hair.
Yeah, he washed his own hair. He actually did a really good job. I was surprised. But okay, so I'm just pulling these spirals. So he's going to be spiraled out for next week or two. And I'm using straight gel because he had to go to an event tonight. And so I wanted to get it so that it'll dry and it'll stay crisp. So he has a function to go to tomorrow night. And this is going to hopefully help it stay. And what I'm using is the Old Faithful Eco Styler Gel. This is a professional styling gel with argan oil. I'm using this particular one to hold these twists in place. So I brought you guys on when I had the last, maybe the last 3 in place. So let me show you how I do it. I'll take this piece of hair that's sticking up here, and I just go ahead and saturate it in gel. So I'm just literally saturating it with gel. And I'm using a rat tail comb because I want to get all the old dead hairs out of his head as well as I'm going along. And so we got so much gel that is, you know, like sticky, really sticky. So we put up quite a bit. And then from there, I'm going to comb it out to get all the dead hairs out. That's the second step. So, of course, you guys know, comb from the ends and work your way down to the root to get all the dead hairs. So once we're there, we're good. His hair has really, really grown a lot just over the last few months. But anyway, so take the rat tail comb. We're going to use the end, as always, to part. And I'm doing this as if I was doing a little small box braids. And I comb it out again, and then I'll take the comb, and then I'll twirl it. And I'm going to twirl it and drag it down as I'm twirling. This is the point of having so much gel on it so that it won't catch the hair. So I'm just twisting it all the way down. And I'm grabbing it here so I don't pull his hair and hurt his head. But so, and that's how he get his long twist. And of course, it's going to naturally shrink back up. And that's number 1. Can y'all see that? Nice and juicy. Don't worry about the extra gel because once it dries and sets in, it'll be transparent. Just like these, they previously had gel. We had to stop, go to the store, we back, and you don't even see the gel. So I just leave the gel sitting just like that. I don't try to take the excess away at all. So I'm going to make this into actually 4. So I'm going to take it again, comb it out, put it at the root, and then I'm going to start twirling at the root. And we're just going to keep twirling until the comb takes out. And if it falls out like I just did because I pulled too far away from the hair, go ahead and put it back in and just start twirling from where you pick, wherever you stick your comb and just start twirling. And it'll catch once again. Okay. So, let me do it here. And that's how I just spiral it. And again, it's going to shrink up and it's going to look just like these. This is just an easy style and it will last. For his particular type of hair, I'm doing gel just because he has a different grade and it really comes loose easily. So I'm hoping that this gel will hold the hairstyle at least maybe 2 weeks or so before I have to do it again. He was thinking about getting dreads, or is that something still an option?
Still is, even though Y'all oppose.
Yeah, I'm not really, okay, I'm talking and I messed that one up, so I'm gonna undo it. I was talking.
I say something about dreads, look, she messing up.
Yeah, so she said something about dreads. I just don't want your hair to be dreaded up. I
But
mean,
you
it's
can always undo them though, because if you keep them neat, they're not gonna get all matty.
I would have to learn how to maintain dreads. I've done their hair all their life, so I would have to learn. That would be a skill for me to have to learn how to do is
My
how to
friends got
install the
dreads,
dreads.
literally can undo them any day.
Well, I would have to learn how to install dread. You know, like how to put them in and maintain them. That I do not. I've never experienced that before. So if you guys have put in dreads and maintain them, let me know which exactly you do to maintain the style. I'm just familiar with the twists, and I'm familiar with these spirals right here. And here, the spirals, I really do nothing to maintain these. Absolutely nothing. I just at the evening time, I just tell him to put something on his head before he go to sleep, his do rag on, and that's all I.
Well, Nathan has considered dreads at this point because
he has twists,
but they twists that literally are dreaded.
Okay, so here we go right here. So let me turn your head. So these are final two, and his hair is really long up here. So again, it's going to shrivel back into itself, and it's going to be a tight little curl pattern just like that. So you can, if you see split ends, you can always go back and just kind of clip them if you want it to be really crisp and clean. And I may even do that. I'm not sure. I want it to fully dry in these little scragglers on the end here. Let's go. Let me push it up closer. These little scragglers on the end. I think I might just come and take the scissors and just clip here, just so they can just look really clean and crisp. So, yeah, that's how you would do the spirals. I call these spiral outs, and like I said, I did it with gel. These are super crisp, but they look nice and shiny. Is what the goal is here, and the goal is for them to stay because he's an athlete. He does a lot of sweating. I'm sorry?
Are you finished already?
Yeah, they're officially finished. He's ready to get up and go, but I need his head right now for so for the sake of the video, so y'all can see. But so turn. So like I said, if he's an athlete, he can sweat, and they won't come out. So this will last again for a good 2 weeks or so in this spiral position. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you just came in, please go back and then watch the video in the entirety. Again, the products that we used was the Eco Styler Gel with the argan oil in it. And then you need a rat tail comb. I still got his hair in this one, but a rat tail comb. And you also need an additional comb. And this was a three layer comb. I just have this one. I don't even know when I picked this up. But it has 3 prongs to it. And I use that to detangle. So, thank you guys for watching. We appreciate it. If you, again, would like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell when we're back to do another natural hair video and or a recipe, we would love to have you here. All right, you guys take care. Peace.